And finally, in this last activity where you are being asked to compare the trace tool to the break apart tool, I want to show you how you can avoid having to upload the same image that's already been imported into your library. We're asked to start a new document, so I'll do that. File, New, and ActionScript, and I should change my default to white. I prefer the white, and there it is. And I'm going to make this 50% again. And now I want to put in my bitmap again for this new activity, and I can go to my library, and here this is Untitled 6. See here, the one I just made is Untitled 6, and this one that I made before is Untitled 4. I haven't saved it yet. That's why it has just that untitled name. So library, and I can just switch this to that library, so the one I used before, and I can take this now and just put it in here and resize it right away. If you don't have the transform tools on it, then you need to just make sure that you choose transform right over here, so that you can change the size. And that looks pretty good. I'll use my arrow keys and try to get it centered on there. Okay, and so now I have what is equivalent to a brand new document, and my image, if I click on my arrow and click on the image, it's a bitmap, unlike this one that I had converted to a drawing object. So you need to start with a bitmap, and that's a nice convenient way to do that without having to import the image over again. So now follow the instructions on how to trace objects within a bitmap and move on to the very last lesson on using adaptive scaling, which is nice and quick and simple. And then you have a quiz at the end of this section on some of those tools that you've used.